Hi guys and welcome to MotorBeam. After a lot of hiccups, we finally have the Baleno for review with us, and thank you so much Dhanil for getting it clean for us. Now we can finally drive it, and my nose hurts actually from last time. Anyways, we are going to tell you whether we made the right decision by opting for the Baleno as our project car by reviewing it and giving you our opinion of this old beast. What I like about this car is the design, and I don't believe I'm saying this because when this car was actually launched, I was like, were Suzuki designers not present at all? But after looking at all the compact sedans which have come, this Baleno actually looks gorgeous now.
I really like old cars like the old Honda City, the old Skoda Octavia, and of course the Maruti Baleno for their simple designs.
Cars today are so much more forgiving. Obviously, they're more polished. There's traction control system, there's ABS, there are multiple airbags. These cars are not. The old cars,
I think this was the case with almost every old car like the Mitsubishi Lancer, the old Honda City. Those were the main rivals of the Baleno.
the good old days, I would say, they were less forgiving, more fun definitely, because when there's unpredictability involved, when there's a fact that you really don't know you're going to make that corner or not, you really don't know if the brakes are going to help you stop or not, that is what actually makes stuff a lot more fun.
ये तो दोनों पैर से चलानी पड़ेगी. Okay. The car is full of plastic feeling, completely plastic feeling. I didn't like this. It's a little tacky.
There are no electronics, there's nothing, no traction control, no ABS, no EBD. And I think that's the beauty about the Baleno.
It feels that the engine is going to blow any moment, but it will not. It's a Japanese motor. It feels so alive, it feels so real, it feels like you're driving a car, not an appliance.
तुम्हारी नई गाड़ी है, हमारी 12 साल पुरानी गाड़ी है, फिर भी हम तो तुमसे आगे निकल जाएंगे. Really, auntie?
That's actually the beauty about all the old cars. Wow! क्या हमारी गाड़ी के नीचे मरोगे? मुंह बना रहा है, फिर कूल लुक दे रहा है.
म्यूजिक है? कहाँ है?
गड्डी काली है काली पर चिट्टी चिट्टी तू.
अच्छी है यार. Nice. It's not that bad. You sit very low in this car and the handling is very nice.
The driving position in the Baleno is very low, just like a go-kart, and the all-around visibility is just great.
And when you're driving a car, you should get that feel which you get in this Baleno, because you're sitting so freaking low and so low to the ground. Every time you accelerate, you know, it feels faster than it actually is. I love that.
I totally love this 1.6 litre engine under the hood. It has very sprightly power delivery, it is very linear, high revving and very smooth. It is also quite refined and honestly offers a raw driving feel.
The performance from this engine is very enjoyable.
I really like the unadulterated driving feel that it offers. It has a very raw and very punchy performance. The engine is just a screamer and the rev range is very broad.
The more you rev it, the more it rewards you, and it is so tall geared that when you actually look at the tachometer, when you think you're close to the red line, there's still 2000 RPM left to go.
Although it wheel spins a lot, but I dig it.
This car is a lot of fun around the corners.
This steering offers a lot of feel and feedback. The car handles brilliantly.
It really darts into them with a lot of enthusiasm, and the steering also has more feel than most of the sedans in the market right now.
So this car comes with a lot of features which were not offered in the rival cars at that time. It comes with electric adjustment for the outer rear view mirrors, automatic climate control, automatic antenna which kind of squeaks, which I hate but still I like. And it also comes with remote locking.
The list is kind of long because the interior is terrible.
The dashboard and the entire cabin has a very old and basic feel to it.
The plastic quality is very tacky and it still stinks.
It looks very drab, build quality is not really that great.
I hate the sound of the antenna. It's just squeaking, it's irritating to your ears, and I just switch on the car, I wait for it to squeak, and then I get in.
Yes, the seating position is very low, which is a plus point, but the space at the rear is very limited. I mean, tall people like me and Faisal cannot sit inside the car comfortably.
I don't understand why we had this whole thing that we had to have a sedan for space, because I mean, this is a sedan, it has no space at all at the rear.
The tires are very old right now and they need replacement ASAP.
What stupid brakes and no ABS?
The brakes have also become almost ineffective and the stopping power is really poor. I mean, you cannot drive very fast on the roads.
We're not able to push it that hard on the road, especially me, because I'm like really scared.
This car guzzles fuel like it's a V8, and you know, every time you rev the nuts out of it, it's like drinking fuel, and honestly we've lost tap of how much fuel you're filling into this vehicle. So that's the reason why this car was actually kind of popular with the CNG aftermarket fitments, maybe.
So this car is like 12 years old. This was replaced by the SX4, which was again replaced by the Ciaz. So I feel there might be an issue in sourcing the parts if something goes wrong.
So of course there are a lot of hits and misses with this car, but overall I think it's a positive purchase.
This car has a lot of potential for both performance as well as cosmetic modifications.
So now we'll drive the car more, we'll modify it, and then let's see what all we can do.
I'm so excited to mod the hell out of the Baleno and make it a real racing beast of sorts. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, हाँ, ठीक है। बॉस बॉस बॉस, इधर से मत घुमाओ ना प्लीज़। ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, रेडी?
नेगेटिव क्या?
I feel the brakes.
नहीं, वो करके देखते हैं ना, वो इजी है, शॉर्ट में हो जाएगा। Shut up. What stupid brake? No ABS and it's skids.
Brake नहीं, brakes.
Brakes. What stupid brake and it
Brakes.
तो brakes ही तो पहले बोला था।
ठीक है।
हाँ तो नहीं है ना? हो गया?
100 PS of power.
Okay, thank you. The plastic quality is very tacky and it still stinks.
अरे that is because we left the food in the car.
Cool, bro. जाओ जल्दी। ये हुआ मस्त था वे, 2 मिनट में हो गया।
अबे तेरी भी तो जरूरत पड़ेगी कट के लिए। मैं वैसी बाइक वाला बंदा हूँ। रुक जा, मेरे को अपनी लाइन बनाने दे, वरना मैं नहीं ऐसे बोलता हूँ। चल गड़बड़ है। And there are lots. There's a. I think I'm starting to like it. मैम मैं अभी थोड़ा मीटिंग में हूँ, आप मेरे को थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल कीजिएगा प्लीज़। हमको नहीं लेना है घर, पैसे नहीं। ख़त्म, बंद कर।